How to get verified on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on TikTok. So let's get started. So in order to get a complete verification on TikTok, you need to follow some certain codes. So for example, first of all, you need to be sure that your account is active, authentic, notable, and unique because TikTok doesn't consider the number of followers or likes on an account when granting a verified badge. They only check whether the account is authentic. Now, some accounts requirements consider for verification include activity, that your account must have logged into TikTok within the past 6 months and it should be authentic. For example, that you need to be a real person or a real business or contain a real entity. Now, if you're a business, institution, or entity, the email domain you provide in your application must represent you, such as tiktok.com. So, if you can't provide your email domain, they may request additional documentation, and your username should be similar to your business name. And your account must be complete. It should be public and have a completed profile with a username, bio, profile photo, and at least one post. And your account needs to be notable. You must be featured in multiple news sources because they don't consider press releases and sponsored or paid media. And also, the most important part, your account must have two-step verification with a verified email. So it's also important that all accounts, including verified ones, adhere to their community guidelines and terms of service in order to ensure that TikTok remains a safe and fun platform for everyone. So I'll tell you now how you can request verification on TikTok. So you can go to TikTok app, tap the profile. So let me just do it side by side and let you know about it. So here you gotta open your TikTok application and then you gotta click on these three horizontal lines over here. And then you gotta select settings and privacy. And now over here you gotta click on account. And over here you'll be able to see an option that would say switch to business account because you need to switch to your business account before verifying that. So you can just click on switch to business account and you can just click on next, and next, and you can just tell what your account is about. So just click on next and you can just add your email address or you can skip it. You can add your bio or just okay. Now you can just register now. Now my account has been changed to a business account. So once you have done that, you can just tap verification and then you can tap start. So if you're registered as a business account, you can only apply for business verification. And if you are registered as a personal account, you can apply for personal or institutional verification. So now the next thing is that TikTok might remove verification. So the reason why they'll remove is the account transferred to another owner, making verification inauthentic, and the username change, so the account owner needs to reapply for verification. So each time you change your username, you need to reapply for the verification. So the account type change between personal, business, or organization. If you change that, you have to apply for verification again. And if the account is repeatedly or severely violated or their community guidelines and terms services, then you need to request re-verification. So that was how you can request for verification on TikTok. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.